morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. This morning we woke up quite early. We left Interlaken about 8:30 after breakfast. We're currently in Spiez. We're changing for another train that will take us to Kandersteg, I think it's called. Yeah, something like that, Kandersteg. And from there we will be catching a cable car. We're gonna go up a mountain and then we're gonna hike to see one of the most beautiful lakes in Switzerland. So I'm really looking forward to this today. Just waiting for the train now, which should leave at 9:12. So and guess what? We were on the wrong train. Apparently the train split at Spiez. It was the rear portion that was meant to go to Kindersteg. And this one here, God knows where it was going. Anyway, we got off at this abandoned station. There's no one here. Currently waiting for another train to go back to Spiez, and then hopefully we'll be on the right one this time. This is what happens when you travel. Things like this can happen. What can you do? The only thing is, when you're in a station like this, there's only one train an hour, so yeah. Oh well, see how it goes. So we're on a bus to the cable car, which connects with the train apparently, once you get to Kindersteg. It's just going to buy the tickets now. So these are the prices: 32 francs, return 24 one way. we are. Nice. So €6. It's going to be quite a fun adventure. It was very fun. So if you want to do that, it's £6 one ride, which is more than enough, I think. So we're now hiking to the lake Oeschinensee, something like that. I don't know if I'm spelling it right. So this is where we want to go, Oberbagli, 1 hour and 30. Oh, look at those waterfalls down there. Incredible. So this is the path. Stopping and finding all these views, which are totally incredible. Wow, look at this. So the hike is actually not too bad, but from the lake there's a steep hill that was a bit challenging. As I said, obviously we're in August, underneath the sun is not ideal. I would probably do this hike in the morning if I could, early in the morning, and then once the sun comes out you could probably chill down the lake. Look at that. It just gets better and better, this hike. I've got trainers, but if you can, I would advise you not to go with trainers, just have walking boots. I think I will invest in a pair of them for my next hike, which is going to be in the Dolomites in Italy. Make sure you take a rest now and then, drink plenty of water. There are some places, I think, up there I can see a shack, which they probably, I think they sell drinks, food, etc. So if you haven't got anything, don't panic. There are places where you can buy drinks. Might be a bit pricey, but hey, what's not pricey in Switzerland? So once you get here, you have free water. I'm just gonna fill up my bottle. Fresh water from the mountain. There you go.
I was walking on the path. Ik vind andere dingen belangrijk nog bij. There you go. Oh, maar het is lekker erin.
Nice beer. So as you can see, when you get up here, there's actually a shack that sells drinks, beer, snacks, chocolate, crisps, whatever you want, food as well. So you can just come up here and chill and look at the wonderful view of the lake. There is another path that goes up this way, just up there, up the mountain, all the way down, but that would take about 3 hours. I don't think we'll do that. Just gonna hang around here for a bit and we're gonna wrap it up and just make our way back to the railway station. Probably gonna take a couple of hours. The last cable car ends at 6 p.m, so just remember, or else you'll have to walk down. We're on our way back. There's not many people on the path now, which is much better. Anyway, hike is finished. Time to go home. Well, not home. Going to Luzerne tonight. We're at the cable station, as you can see. We just made it all the way to the cable car. Just gonna go down, probably gonna queue up there. Yeah, it's been a great day. If you're in Switzerland, I highly recommend visiting this place. Just make sure you get some good quality footwear, because you will need it. Some of the hikes are quite hard, as you can see. Yeah, so yeah, more from Luzerne. That's the next stop. See you soon.